Hello everyone, so this is Windows 11 and the OS build is 22624.1537. So these are some of the updated features in this build. So the first updated feature is the access keys in File Explorer. So they are adding access key shortcuts into the XAML context menu in File Explorer. An access key is one keystroke shortcut that allows a keyboard user to quickly execute a command in context menu. Each access key will correspond with a letter in the display name. It's part of their effort to make File Explorer more accessible. So this is File Explorer. These are the access keys. I have a document here. I'm going to right click the document. I get all these options here. So the next updated feature is the create live kernel memory dumps in Task Manager. They're introducing a set of new developer focused features in Task Manager to aid the collection of live kernel memory dumps. This is in addition to existing memory dump for user mode processes. The goal of the kernel live dump is to gather data to troubleshoot an abnormal situation but allow the OS to continue operation. This reduces the downtime when compared to a bug check for non-fatal but high-impact failures and hangs. So I'll go to Task Manager here and I can just right-click, for example, System, and I can create a live kernel memory dump file. So the dumps will be written to a fixed location. You can also go to the Task Manager settings page to view or edit the settings for live kernel memory dumps. So I'll go to Task Manager, click on Settings, and this is the live kernel memory dump options. Another updated feature is in System/Display. This is the content adaptive brightness control on plugged-in devices, including desktop PCs. So this is a feature that users are familiar with. This feature in Windows 11 will dim or brighten areas of a display or monitor based on the content being displayed, with the goal of striking a balance between reduced power consumption with visual experience to save battery life. Starting with this build, we are following this feature to run on devices such as laptops and 2-in-1s that are plugged into a charger, as well as on desktop PCs. For most users, this change won't be noticeable and should reduce energy consumption. And this feature can be adjusted via Settings, System, Display, under Brightness and Color, and through a drop-down menu with 3 options: off, always, and on battery only. On desktop PCs, this is off by default. So they encourage insiders across laptops, 2-in-1s, and desktop PCs to try the always option and give them feedback on the visual quality of the CABC so we can ensure it is properly tuned. So here are some changes and improvements in this build. They have begun redirecting some of the troubleshooters found under Settings, System, Troubleshoot, and in other areas of the operating system to the new Get Help troubleshooting platform. So another improvement is the search on the taskbar. Once you have access to the new Bing, the search box on the taskbar will include a button that opens the Bing chat experience in Edge. So if you don't have access, the search box on the taskbar will feature a dynamic search highlight button. They are beginning to roll this out to insiders. Not everyone will see it right away. They fixed an issue in the previous build where the option on the Settings Personalization taskbar in the taskbar behavior section to show seconds in the clock on the system tray was not actually enabling the functionality. Enable should work now. So they also improved the performance of search within settings. They also fixed an issue that was causing voice access to take some time to turn on after using the wake up command. So these are just some of the updates and fixes for this build. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.